Good morning, guys. I decided to get up early today because it felt like 9 o'clock even though it was only 7 in the morning, so I figured I'd just get up. I couldn't really settle down even though I was tired, but that's what happens when you have to deal with daylight savings. Anyways, a little bit of an update. Last week, right before the weekend started, I got all my commissions finally finished and mailed out. So I got the plush Wendigo done, I got the zombie wolf, the dragon, and then they decided to order another dragon from my shop, so the tiger dragon went out with all the other creatures that they ordered. So had a lot of creatures going into the mail over the weekend. So I can finally start back up on all the creatures that I had to put off because of starting all these commissions. So we're going to start back up on the starry dragon, all the fox spirits, and then I'm gonna start another one just because I felt like it. But before we get started on anything today, I desperately need to clean out my fabric closet because it is a disaster from working on so many things. At one point I just kind of gave up making it nice and neat and just started shoving fabric in there, so I need to pull everything out and just refold it and kind of organize the colors. I don't think I'll mess around with my baskets full of sequin fabric and fake leathers. I think I'm just going to mess with the fur fabrics because I really haven't used any of those. Maybe while we're in here we can think of some other projects I can work on. Not that I need to start anything else. I think I'm just going to throw it all here, which I have a ring. Hold on. Coffee left a ring on the counter. Don't want to get coffee on anything. Okay, like I was saying, we're going to leave everything on the counter and just kind of organize it. I'll probably separate the colors based off of what colors I have, just so that it's easier. So more natural colors will probably be in one spot, all the crazy colors a different spot, and then black, whites, and grays can be together. That way it's easier to see what I have. Got a ton of pink still. When's the last time I used this? Also this, I used this once. This was for one commission a while back, and I haven't used it again, so I need to figure out what I want to do with that. Got plenty of it for something. Some yellow. I'm almost out of my yellow. I don't use yellow a lot, but every now and again something needs a yellow highlight. So I've been working on that for a while. Okay, I think that's the last one. Like I said, I'm not going to mess with all these down here. I kind of do, though. They are a bit of a disaster. Okay, I finally got everything out. I decided that that was good enough. I kind of straightened it a little bit, but I didn't want to mess with all the little pieces. It's mostly scrap now. Okay, so I got all of this now. Oh my god. And there's more down here that didn't fit. I actually need to move a few things. Mainly these so they don't get hairy. These are going to be for our Star Dragon. I haven't figured out a full-on title for it yet, but we're going to probably resin these at the end of the day. Let me get them out of the way. I'm going to start with the blacks, whites, and grays. That'll be the easiest to start on. Some of these I don't even have folded the correct way. Like, it looks nice to fold them like that and then curl them, but they fit in the closet and take up too much space. So I'm going to get covered in so much different colored hair. See, the main reason I have so many colors that I tend to not use so much is because of commissions. Just every now and again you get one that needs a random color that you don't tend to use a lot, and then you never use it again, and it just sits there. Because a lot of these are really pretty. Like the ones with the highlights and stuff. These are really pretty. I just need to come up with an idea for a project. Okay, so I feel like it looks a little bit better. At least everything's more organized. There's only so much I can do with this tiny amount of space and this much fur fabric. Okay, let's get started on some work. I moved my coffee and I still managed to get one little hair in it. So this is going to be our project. For now, at least. It's just a little bit of a sewing project. I have this pattern, and it looks like a lot, but, well, it kind of is a lot. It's a very simple shape, but I cut it up into like a bajillion different pieces so I can have a bunch of different colors in different spots. So, what we are going to do is sew all of these together. Let me lay everything out, and I'll show you what I'm trying for. Okay, so I know, like I said, it looks like a lot, but it's not a ton of sewing. It's just like really tiny sections of sewing. So basically this is going to be a strip of fabric and a tail that runs down a creature's back. I was thinking dragon, but I'm not sure if I want to do a dragon a wolf, a fox, a cat, I'm not sure. But basically, I decided to pick all these colors out to try and make a Northern Light creature. I figured since I'm doing a star dragon, doing a Northern Light creature would be kind of fun as well. And I really wanted to work with these crazy colors. But again, I don't know what I want to make. So what do you guys think? We're going to get the sewing done for now, and I probably won't start back up on this for a while. So if you guys think I should do a dragon, fox, wolf, cat, any creature you think this would be really cool to use with, let me know. I just don't know. I'm thinking a fox would be kind of fun, but also a dragon would be fun too. I don't know. I'll see how much I get done. I might have to take a break here in a little bit and stop filming just for like a few minutes, and then we can start back up because I have my mom coming by. Pretty much she's going to stop by and give me some of her dirt. I know that sounds weird, but she had a garden during the summer and it's all gone right now because it's too hot / too cold because the weather can't decide what it is right now. And I need to repot a few of my plants, and when I went to go find my dirt, because I have a little dirt in the closet outside, it was all white and molded. I don't know what happened to it, but it is not going to be used. I threw it away, and she had a little bit of dirt that I can use to repot everything, so I don't have to go pick it up. So we might end up repotting a few things. I know I'm waiting. I'm going to repot this into a bigger pot, but I'm letting it fully dry out. It had that one pot covering this, but this is what it was actually in, and I figured if I took it out of the other pot, it would dry faster, and I think it's doing a little bit better. It looks kind of like it got greener on this side, but there's still a lot of yellow, so I'm going to let this dry out a lot, and then I'll repot it. That and Cornelius, my palm tree, I need to get him in a bigger pot too. Actually, I won't be able to repot them today, never mind, because I need to get some catch trays because the pots that I want to put them in are going to have holes at the bottom, and they're inside plants, and they need to have those, otherwise I'm going to ruin everything. Okay, so I guess that's not what we're going to do today. Oh, I can show you guys this. I got a cute little stand. Actually, I found it. Someone threw this away. It's like a shoe rack, but it's like perfect color. It matches my easel, and it's a nice little height to put everything on, and then I can start storing stuff underneath. So I thought it was super cute. Also, I have my plush pumpkin out, because even though Halloween is over, we still have Thanksgiving. So I just got a text. My mom should be over in a few minutes. I'll go down, grab the dirt from her, see how she's doing, and then come back up and we'll finish this. She doesn't want to come up all 3 flights of the stairs because she apparently broke her toe and she can't walk up the stairs. I can't even remember how she said her toe broke. I think it was like she kicked something. I don't know. It was something really stupid. Okay. Finally got this all done. What do you guys think? I really like the colors. I tried to make it look a bit organic, so I still kept a pattern to it, but I reversed it so it didn't look just like repetitive. I think it's really cool. Again, let me know what you guys think I should make out of this, because I really want to do something cool and fun. But yeah, I finished that. Somewhere in between sewing, I went down and got my dirt from my mom, talked to her a little bit. We're trying to figure out what to do for Thanksgiving. Now, family's really small. There's literally only 6 of us, so we're trying to figure things out if it's okay to get together or not. And so yeah, I talked to her a little bit about that, tried to figure things out, and then I hopped back in here and started sewing and finished this. So I think I had just enough time to start working on just one more thing. I need to make a wireframe for our star dragon. I'm going to do that. I'm really hoping to finish it, so we're going to resin the pieces at the end of the day. I'm not going to show you guys the face, but you already got to see the feet, mainly because I want to surprise you with it. And yeah, hopefully I can get that done this week and the video edited. So it's kind of a lot, but I want that to be next week's project. If not, if I don't have enough time to do that video, I have footage filmed for an oil painting that I did Friday. And it's just a cute little painting that I did along with a story to go with it. So that might be next week's video if I don't get the Star Dragon done. Anyways, let me clean up and we'll get the wires out for the wireframe. I just realized I probably need to get this sewing done too. I didn't want to do a whole day of sewing for you guys. I wanted to have a little bit more diversity, but we might have to work on that so I can get it done tomorrow. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure if this will be next week's video or not. We'll find out. I'm using my thicker wire because the head for this dragon is quite large, and I want to make sure it can hold itself up. Yeah, luckily most of this sewing I can just use the sewing machine for, so it won't take up the majority of our day. I'll just try and do that really quick. Okay, wireframe is all put together. It looks a little bit larger than it will be later on because all the wires are a little longer. That way I have some extra wiggle room for size, because I haven't put the body together yet, so I'm not 100% sure on the size needed. So yeah, I got that. And I think I'm going to make something small to eat, and then when we get back we'll quickly sew this up and find something else to work on after that. I don't have any yogurt, but I do have some almond milk. I think I'm just going to have some granola. I need to open another one. I actually really like this almond milk. Okay, I'm going to eat this real quick. I'll probably do some editing, and then once I get that done, I am going to start on that sewing for that dragon. I think daylight savings is messing with the puppers as well, because he keeps changing positions a lot more than normal. I think he's having trouble getting comfortable. So hopefully he finds a good spot and settles back down. I definitely know he's tired. It could also be that I have the window over there where the plants are open up a little bit too much for him, and he's not used to it being so bright. It could be getting in his eyes because his crate's kind of like opposite the wall of that window. He's moving again. Oh, so one cool little art project I've done this weekend is a diamond painting. I've done my first diamond painting. Michael thought it'd be fun to order a bunch of little craft things that we could do together. He got us a big one to work together on, and then a little one for me. And I finished my little one, and we got a little bit of progress on the bigger one done. That, and he also got us some paint by numbers, which I think will be really cool, because they're also printed on canvas, so I can actually stretch them and hang them up like normal paintings. That could be a little bit fun. I haven't done a paint by numbers since I was like really little. See, isn't it cute? I had so much fun with this. I can't wait to get the bigger one done. The only thing is, you can't really tell what it is until it's like really far away. See, if I hold it really close up, it's kind of hard to like make out. Well, on the camera it looks a lot easier, but in person, like really close up, it doesn't look like anything. I have to be like really far away from it, but it's still really cute. I'll need to figure out how to hang it up. I'm guessing the best way to probably hang this would be to put it behind glass. That way nothing gets stuck to it, because the little gems don't really cover up the entire sticky surface. The edge is still all exposed, and then in between the gems you can still get access to the sticky stuff. So I'm assuming hair will get stuck to it no matter what, but putting it behind glass will probably be a good idea. So yeah, I've been doing stuff like that on the weekend with Michael just because I want to do art stuff, but I also get tired of it being for work, so it's fun to just have a cute little craft to work on. Also, it's really relaxing. I definitely get why so many people like doing diamond paintings. I think the only problem with it is because the little letters that tell you which gems go where, they're so tiny that you have to have really good lighting, and you have to have it positioned on the thing just right so there's no glare. Because with the glare on the gluey stuff, it actually is really hard to read. Okay, those are all sewn together. I got the back legs and the front legs, the body, and then the wings have been done for actually quite a while. Now, the last thing that I need to do so that I can put this together tomorrow is resin all the clay pieces. So I'm going to put all this up, make sure I get rid of all the sequins, because I don't really feel like getting sequins stuck in the resin. And that might be it. Also, since I'm going to be working with resin anyways, I'm going to try and finish this little project. I'm attempting to make a little gemstone, like one of the little cut things. And I've got one layer down, but it's way too thin to separate. And it's just on tin foil. I'm using hot glue to make the border. And I'm just going to kind of fill it in a little bit more and try and decorate it and stuff and see what we get. I'm just, again, this isn't for anything, I'm just messing around with the resin, because normally when I mix up resin I have extra and I just figured I'd try something with it. Now if it comes out kind of cool, I think I might make some coasters like this. But again, I don't even know if it'll come off of the tin foil in the glue. We'll find out whenever I pull it off. So I added resin, but I also decided to add glitter, thinking it would stay kind of around the middle and the outer edge, and it just kind of spread everywhere. So don't know if that's going to actually turn out or not. Oh well. And then I got the feet all resined, and then I also got the face. I'm going to try and give you a sneak peek without showing the entire face. So hold on. Okay, so here is a sneak peek. You can see the horns, a little bit of the eye, and then I have a little star on the forehead. And this goes with those feet. So that will be hopefully our next project. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna call it good for today. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If any of you have any idea on what to do with that Northern Light fur pattern that I did, let me know. I know I had the idea of a dragon wool for fox, but if you guys have any other ideas, let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can do that. Or if you just like one of my suggestions, let me know. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!